Look, people enjoying the outdoors with friends without getting the outdoors all over the inside of their car. Imagine that. Hey, it's Scott here from Yakima to introduce you to the super sturdy, super roomy RocketBox Pro. I think this video is ready for takeoff. This is the RocketBox Pro 12. It's short, fat, and perfect for hatchbacks. RocketBoxes also come in various shapes and sizes, like the RocketBox Pro 11 that is perfect for skis and snowboards, and the big, roomy RocketBox Pro 14. Let's install. It comes assembled right out of the box. Just open the lid, turn the red knobs, and loosen the thumb wheels. Then place it on top of your crossbars and slide until the clamps engage the bars. The universal mounts fit Yakima round, square, factory, and aerodynamic crossbars. Now that your RocketBox Pro is in place, tighten the thumb wheels and tighten the red knobs to firmly secure the box to the crossbars. There. Instant cargo space for just about anything. Now camping gear, luggage and strollers, or even your team sports gear can still come along no matter how compact your car. The shorter profile of the RocketBox Pro 12 lets you open your hatchback fully without any interference. Perfect. The RocketBox Pro also opens from either side, so you have easy access no matter where you're parked. And with integrated locks, everything inside stays secure. If you have other Yakima gear, check out our SKS Same Key system. It replaces all your lock cores, so you only need one key for all your Yakima products. That's the RocketBox Pro. All that gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.